Grap Coin is pleased to have you visit their YouTube channel. ADA is presently advancing in a triangle pattern, at least within a range, and here is another video with an update on her. The chart clearly shows Fibonacci levels of support and retracement. Additionally, the price is currently quite appropriately confined within a band that includes the 50% Fibonacci retracement at 42 cents and the 38.21 at 49 cents. The price is presently following the triangle pattern shown in the previous videos. This is just a little slider I'm using to show that ADA is now making a triangle shape. The area of small scale assistance, if we hit another low, there won't be much new data because we're basically just moving in a range and hitting lower highs and higher lows. Adjustments, generally speaking, corrective moves define the chart, as you can see. The 5-wave climb from last June's low to this year's March high can be seen as wave 1, since it is the initial wave of a bigger bullish trend. Wave 2 of the retracement is structured like an ABC diagram. We are only seeing 3 waves of the C wave, even though it should be a 5-wave motion. This is due to the fact that they accomplish nothing to advance the chart. This year's waves 1 to 3 might be very long waves 4 and 5, which are legitimate but big. From here, a 5th wave of decline might still happen, particularly if the price follows the Elliott wave triangle concept, which is essentially a 5-wave wave. This triangular ADA has limitless potential for development and intricacy, but we must not lose sight of the paramount importance of this swing high. Simply said, the wave pattern appears to be corrective waves that are moving laterally. The beginning of waves A, B, C, D, and E probably occurred within this triangle during the 3rd wave low as well. For there to be consistency, the price needs to stay put at 52.4 cents. The first sign that we have hit bottom and are approaching what may be an L season would be a break above this level, which would be a bullish development suggesting a strong corrective rally or possibly a leading diagonal. We really need a break, and that side is precisely what we're looking for. Prior to that, by invalidating the triangle at 52.4 cents, we can reduce direct downward pressure and increase upside pressure by showing that the price has likely broken above the descending trend line. Now all we needed to do was sit tight and hope for the price to do what's always possible, form 5 waves. I included the yellow count after the 3rd failure, but as I mentioned before, a 5-wave pattern would indicate a beginning of a bullish trend. At the moment, any 5-wave upward advance is good news because we are now following more bullish patterns. Even so, no 5-wave patterns have been detected. It seems like we might still be making a C wave based on the triangle pattern. We can still expect a deceleration because it resembles the 3rd wave of a triangle. If prices consistently make lower highs and higher lows, then this triangle idea will hold water. Given the potential for these sideways changes to undergo substantial transformation, all we can do for the time being is exercise patience. I think this will be the last low, since triangles typically signal a more severe breakdown, therefore I expect this one to be the last. In a triangle, a more direct breakdown would be inappropriate, but a break below 41.8 cents, last week's Wednesday low, would indicate otherwise. If there are any additional lows, they should be around 36 to 38 cents, and the next wave will be the last one. Following the completion of the correction, which could occur after one more low or after the first 5-wave advance higher, this level will serve as the subsequent micro support within the larger support zone. Once this completion is confirmed, we will know that the corrective is complete. We need to examine the subdivisions when we go to the next level, which should be about $2 or more. But we can say that, look, we have a chance because the last low was on April 13th. Ascending is the primary motion of the initial wave. Both wave 2 and wave 3 reach a low point called ADA. Aiming for the $240 level, representing the ADA and the 1.38 Fibonacci extension, is preferable to the $2 minimum aim for this 3rd wave rally. Still, let's see if we can keep support going before we do anything else. To maintain an optimistic overall picture, the ADA must hold, and the support level extends down to 29 cents. Though I'd rather see further gains, it's far too soon to tell if we've hit bottom or not. That concludes my report about ADA. I trust you will find it beneficial. To show your approval, hit the like button. Please subscribe and share your thoughts. I appreciate you watching. Snatch up the coin. Leave it.